In today's video, I am going to teach you how to easily sync Instagram Reels with music using Canva Beat Sync. If you've ever tried lining up quick cuts to a song by hand, you know it can be frustrating and time-consuming. Canva's Beat Sync does the heavy lifting for you, so your visuals hit right on the beat, and your reel instantly feels more polished. Start by opening Canva and creating a new design. Choose the Instagram Reel canvas, so your project is set to the vertical 1080 by 1920 pixel format. This keeps everything framed correctly for mobile and saves you from having to resize later. You can start from a blank canvas or pick a reel friendly template if you want some design elements ready to go. Next, bring in your media. Upload your video clips or drag them in from a folder and add your music. You can browse Canva's audio library for a track with a clear beat or upload a song you've already licensed to use. A strong rhythm works best for beat sync. Before syncing, place your clips on the timeline in a rough order and trim any obvious extra moments. Short clips often deliver the punchiest results, and keeping your total length within Instagram's limits will make exporting and posting smoother. Now, access Beat Sync. Look at the timeline at the bottom of the screen and click on the audio track. This reveals the audio toolbar. If you don't see the audio track yet, make sure your music is added to the timeline so Canva can analyze it. With the audio toolbar open, click Beat Sync and choose Sync Now. Canva analyzes the music and automatically adjusts your clip timing to match the rhythm. Behind the scenes, it's detecting peaks and beats in the waveform and aligning your cuts so they land right where the energy hits in the track. If you have multiple clips selected, Beat Sync distributes them across the beats. If you only have one long clip, consider splitting it into smaller segments for a more dynamic result. Preview your reel from the beginning and watch for pacing, transitions, and how each cut feels on the beat. If something isn't landing the way you like, reorder a couple of clips or tweak their trim, then run Sync Now again. You can also nudge a clip slightly if a single moment needs fine-tuning, and check your audio levels so the music supports your visuals without overpowering any on-screen sound. When you are happy, download your video as an MP4 at 1080p. Your file is now ready to upload as an Instagram Reel, already synced to the music. Thanks for watching.